what style plugs are used on board the Aranui? The Aranui is a European ship based in French Polynesia, and as such, the 220 volt European standard plug is used throughout the ship. Also in the bathroom, there is a 110 volt shaver plug, which can handle low power items. If you are traveling on the Aranui, I highly recommend bringing a power converter with you. And the best kind are ones that have extra USB ports on the side. There are a number that have like 2 USB ports as well as a plug, so you can charge multiple things at once, especially your electronics if you have a lot.